Hey, welcome to our all new video over here. And the last videos, I know that for the last videos, I have made the videos in Hindi, but this time I thought that why not English? So let's proceed now. Enough of talks. And in this video, we are going to talk about GitHub, right? Now let me show you what is GitHub. This is GitHub, and this is a place where you can upload your projects to showcase in some of the various parts, like whenever any recruiter asks you whatever the project that you have made. So over here you can just showcase your projects. Like, let me tell you how to upload your projects on GitHub, right? So there is a repository section that you can see right now over here. Yeah, this is my repository. Now how I have uploaded my projects in GitHub, let me teach you. Let's build a project at first, right? Because that's the most important thing. Yeah. So we say that it's a project, right? Now over here we have to open the VS Code. If you don't know how to install VS Code, let me know in the comments. I will make a video on installing VS Code and its vitals. Okay, so to open VS Code over here in this particular directory, what we need to do is we need to press Shift and then right click, and this will show the open with code part. This one, as you can see. Well, even that before, let me tell you, if you would have not pressed the shift key, what would have happened? This would have happened, and then you would have to go to like show more options, and then you would have get it, unless like it's a simple trick. Yeah, this one, and there we go, and we click on open with code. Yeah, now over here we have to create something. Like without this something, what would you upload, right? So it will make code.py, right? And we will make a program run over here. Like, why will you upload an empty project, right? That's a very good question. But I don't have the answer, but let's go with the project. Yeah, we will write print, and we say hello world, and we will save it, and then we run the program. Now we can see hello world in our terminal over here. Yeah, this one, and we have to push this project in our GitHub, this particular file, that's code.py. Over here you can see this one. Okay, so now what we have to do is we go to GitHub, and just like this one is the GitHub at first, the interface that you get every time. Let me show you. Let it come at first. Yeah, and then we have to go to the repository. If it doesn't shows over here, then you have to go to your profile. Your repository is this one. Again this one, and your repository is this one. And now we have to click on new, this one, to create a new repository or a new project, right? So we click over here and we get this terminal. Otherwise we could also have a shortcut. Let me tell you that it will make you pro in this. We say github.com/ and we say new. This is also a shortcut that you can do, make you pro. Yeah, so over here we have to give it a name over here. Like we may give it project. We give it a name, and bingo, and this says add a readme file. You can add it, but I will choose not to add it. So create this repository right now, And then comes the most interesting part. You have to link your project with this link, and this link is the name of the project that you have made. Like you can see, this one is the project. See, this one is written project, and our name of our project is project. We have to upload this in this directory of GitHub. Okay, so this is a very simple process. We use git init, then we use git add. You don't have to remember this at all, like never. All what I did is I just made something for you here. This one, you just copy this and paste it on your terminal. Now we have to keep the link over here and paste it over here. Like we copy the link from here, we copy the link over here, and we paste this link over this place, right? This one, and it's almost done. Let me minimize it. Yeah, it looks perfect now. Now like git init, what does it mean? It's like we are initializing the first command, then we add git add dot. Now what is dot? Dot is a similar kind of a thing that we use as star. Like we have to add all in our GitHub project. This indicates actually that we have to upload everything. Now we are doing the commit, and we say it as a first commit, and then we are assigning a branch. This one is a branch that we are assigning to the Git, and then we say that we have to add the origin of this path so that it can push its content to this path. Now we say at the last git push -u origin main, and this command will push your every projects, like every this files in your project, right? In this directory. This directory is nothing but this place where your GitHub is actually located. We do nothing, we just copy it. Oh, sorry. We copy it and come to our terminal. If you don't know how to get to the terminal, let me tell you, there is a terminal and we do new terminal. Okay, and we paste it over here. Now you will see the magic over here, right? See, and this is absolutely beautiful, and your project is uploaded to GitHub after the push. After this push, your project is uploaded to your GitHub. Now if you come to GitHub and you refresh the page, you will see your code appears over here. See, this is the code. If we open this right now, we see the same code that we have done in our Visual Studio Code. See, similar code, the similar one, absolutely the similar one, this one. Now there is a question that comes in everyone's mind that, wow, we have done it, but now if we want to delete this, what should we do now, right? So here is the answer. We go to the settings. Over here you can rename. This is just an add-on, as if like if you want to rename your project, then you can rename over here. At first, just let me show this in my repository. That project is successfully over there in my repository, right? So we go to the repository over here, and bingo, there is our project. Now, the main part where we are talking about, we have to delete our project. We go to the settings section over here. We come down, we come at the end of the page. There is written danger zone, but it's not danger at all. You can change your visibility over here, like from public to private or private to public. You can archive this repository if you want, but if you want to delete this, that's all what you have to do. Like, let me open a new page over here and just go to the repository, and like whenever I will refresh it, you will see the magic of it, it's deleted. We go over here, delete this repository. Yeah, I confirm this. I have read and understand this effects, and it's asking me to type this VHAVGOHA 1999. Oh, I'm sorry. VHAVGOHA 1999. So, slash. And this gives with this repository. Otherwise, you can do also one thing. You can just delete this. You can't copy it. Actually, you can copy this though. You can copy this, you can paste over here, and that also works. Smart mind, yeah. And it will ask your password, and then it will delete it, which I will not do it because I don't want to show my password to you all, right? So we are going backwards. Okay, so this will actually delete this, and that's all about GitHub, how you can do it. And I will provide these things down in the description so that you can get it anytime, anywhere, and you just do the copy. Let me just make it over here like how it was. Let me make it over here. You just need to copy the link over here and you just paste the link over here, and bingo, that's done. I will copy all this and paste it under my video. You will get in the description part. That's it for the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.